So, hello everyone. Have you ever watched an Iron Man movie and thought, what if I could had a Jarvis? So, that's what my project is about. It is a prototype voice assistant like Jarvis. It can do few of your basic tasks like sending a mail, calculating basic equations, etc. So, let's have a look at it. I will be performing a few of basic tasks with my voice assistant. So, let's start.
Good evening. Please tell me how may I help you?
Introduce yourself.
Hello there, I am a prototype voice assistant. I can do few of basic tasks like simple calculation, sending mail, and even I can play with you.
Play music. What's the temperature outside?
Current temperature in indoor is 22 degrees Celsius.
Okay, play with me.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors. Please give your move among rock, paper, scissor.
Rock.
The computer shows us scissors.
Open mail.
Opening mail.
Search on YouTube. Programming languages.
Searching on YouTube. Got the output opening on YouTube.
Capture my screen.
Taking screenshot.
What's the time?
Sir, the time is 20 hours 45 minutes and 45 seconds.
Search on Google. Dogs.
Searching on Google. Hey, race what I found on Google.
Open code. Open Spotify.
Opening Spotify.
Exit.
Going to sleep, sir. Goodbye.
So that was it for the day. Thank you and have a great day.